Huge thank you to SamsBeauty for sponsoring today's video.
What's up, y'all? It's Shay and I'm back with a brand new video. What's up, y'all? So you're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, you know the vibes. As y'all can tell by the title already, today I'm going to be installing this gorgeous unit. And by the way, you guys already know where it's from. All link and all info will be down in the description box. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this install.
Also guys, all the information for SamsBeauty will be down in the description box. So if you guys are interested in checking out their website or even purchasing this wig, the exact link will be down below. I got this color in burgundy wine. So if you guys are interested, after you watch this video, make sure you check that out. And also, yes, this was a synthetic unit. I believe this was my second time ever installing a synthetic wig, and I had a pretty great experience, honestly. You get exactly what you pay for. There is a bit of shedding and not too much lace to work with. However, you can make it work just like I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys want to see how I get this wig to look like this, keep on watching.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities, for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You wanna get with me, stop. Something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
Get into it, if you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it. Yeah, you just wanna wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times like you the Batman. You just wanna pull up in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shy. I ain't give you nothing, you got come for shy. I got plenty things you make a run for shy. Got that extra when he in love with my body. Get into it, yeah. Come out with you, get into it, yeah.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.